Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the discussion on problems on kinetics. Under this, we are solving problem on work energy method related to connected bodies. Now we are going to solve fourth problem under work energy method. What is the given problem? Determine the constant force P that will give the system of bodies shown in figure a velocity of 3 meters per second after 4.5 meters from rest. Coefficient of friction between the blocks and the plane is 0.3. Pulleys are smooth. Here 500 Newton body, 1000 Newton body, 250 Newton body are connected by a string or a rope or some other device. Then these three bodies are to be moved at a time by the application of the force P. These three bodies are traveling with the same velocity. These three bodies are moving on this particular surface. This 500 Newton body on flat surface, whereas 1000 Newton body on inclined surface, 250 Newton body is on flat surface. Because these three bodies are connected, that's why it's called connected bodies problem. So here we have to find the constant force P that will give the system of bodies to move. Now we'll write the data. Initial velocity is 0 because the bodies are going to move from rest. Then final velocity 3 meters per second. Displacement s is equal to 4.5 meters. Coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.3. Then we have to find this theta value for this inclined surface. Then theta is equal to 53.13, that is tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Theta is equal to 53.13. We have to find the constant force P so that these three bodies at a time move from rest. We'll use work energy equation, that is sigma F into S is equal to m by 2 into V square. Draw free body diagram for three bodies. Weight always acts vertically down. Normal reaction. Because the body tends to move left, then frictional force acts rightward direction. Next, free body diagram for this body. Weight vertically down. Normal reaction perpendicular to the surface. And frictional force, as the body tends to move up, frictional force acts downward direction along the incline. Resolve this weight force. Then weight of this body always acts vertically down. Normal reaction, because the body tends to move left, frictional force acts right. Then resolve this force. Normal to the incline is this, and this is along the incline. Now for 250 Newton body, R1 is equal to W1 is equal to 250 Newtons. Then F1 is equal to mu into R1, which is equal to 0.3 into 250, that is 75 Newtons. For 1000 Newton body, R2 is equal to 1000 cos theta, then which is equal to cos 53.13 into 1000, which is equal to 600 Newton. Frictional resistance F2 is equal to mu into R2, which is equal to 0.3 into 600, which is equal to 180 Newton. For 500 Newton body, R3 is equal to W3 is equal to 500 Newtons, and F3 is equal to mu into R3, that is 0.3 into 500, which is equal to 150 Newton. From the earlier solution, this is the data we got, that is F1 is equal to 75 Newton, F2 is equal to 180 Newton, F3 is equal to 150 Newton, sin 53.13 is equal to 0.80, final velocity V is equal to 3 meters per second, initial velocity U is equal to 0. Then we'll apply the work energy equation In order to find the force value P, that work energy equation is sigma F into S is equal to half mv square. Sigma F is equal to P minus F1 minus F2 minus 1000 sin theta minus F3 into S is the distance is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 by 2G into V square minus U square. Substitute F1 value, F2 value, sin theta value, F3 value, S value, W1 value, W2 value, W3 value, G value, V square value as U is 0. Then we'll get P value. P is equal to 1383.38 newtons. So the constant force P required to move the connected bodies is 1383.38 newtons. This is the solution for the given problem.